Hello, Botswana. I am Chandapiwa Feke. I am from Maitengwe. The reason why I'm here today is that I love fashion. Ladies and gentlemen, I am interested in knowing different styles of dressing and different appearance of people. If I can get a chance to go to Hollywood, I will learn more skills pertaining fashion, because Hollywood is the heart of fashion. As a result, I will get those skills and come back home and to empower the youth of Botswana, so that at the end of the day, they can make a living out of it. Thank you. Please vote for me. Friends at home, vote for me. Thank you.